I wonder where the girls are. Oh yes, I will go have a look. Come on out. Yeah, but... Oh, my food. You mean... your family? Yeah, we don't want to play with you. Hey, but I'm your mom. You're no fun. Thank you. Well, I'm just gonna go to the Marshall Mall. Ow. Oh, anyway, we're gonna let him try cosmetics. Woo! Alright, so we're gonna go in our mom's secret jewelry box. Let's go. Okay. Open it up. Oops. We'll just move them. Oh no, it's closed. Come over here. What? Okay, we have to show them. Okay, so us two found this. It's like a cool jewelry boxing and it has jewelry in it. Okay, try to get these out. I'll try to get the other out. Okay. What are they? I don't know, but I think they're cool. You're right, they are pretty cool. They're pretty. Okay, where should we put them? In them two things. Okay. Okay, that's ours over there. There's nothing else now that we can do. Do you hear what Mom's doing? The children are having so much fun. Oh, look at all this jewelry. I wonder how the kids are doing. They're probably doing great. I'm going to turn this round. Get these chairs out the way. Hey, this isn't that fun. Hey, there's a sound. Maybe if I just turn this around and it'll have something in it. It's a magical one. So if you turn it around, some more stuff will come out. I'll get them. They're pretty sharp, but I can't get it. Okay, got it. Are we sure we should be doing this? What do you really want to do? Nothing much. Oh, look over there. There's a disgusting bird. Ooh. Anyway, so let's put them in. Okay. Let's go. Are we ready to go or something? She won't notice if we just go and put them over there, right? No, she won't actually. She won't. Really? Pull my face. Yeah, she won't. I'll put them over there. Now she'll never notice. Now let's do a sign for it, saying hot chocolate to offender. That's really good. Let's try to stand this thing up and probably stand. Oh, it didn't stand. I'm going to try that again. There we go. Hot chocolate. So now everyone will think that there's hot chocolate for sale. When Mom comes, everyone will be like, okay, are we ready? Yeah. Should probably put everything in place. Easy as a charm. Now let's wait. We should probably get out of here before they eat us. Yeah. Falcons aren't food, they're friends. Like fish aren't food, right? Yeah, like hide and wait. This is gonna be so fun. Yeah, I know. There's hot chocolate for sale. I need to get that. I'm getting it. We'll all share. Now let's wait. Yeah, we'll wait. Fine. I wonder how my children are doing. Oh, hello. So good. So good. Okay, we need to do this properly. Let's get a plate out. Yep. Get on there and go. Just throw it away. Done. Think we're done now. Okay, let's try scare Mom now. Bye. Everyone's gone. Children. Okay. 2, 1 is gonna come. Stay back, tarantula. I'm dead. I know you're not. Good tarantula. We scared you, Mom, didn't we? Yes, but that wasn't very good of you. Only because I actually bought you something because I wanted to be kind. I bought you a new charm. Cupcake seek. Okay, and then I bought you this aluminum hat. Little set, and it's really big. Oh, sorry, you were just very Mom. It's okay. Hey, where'd that tarantula go? Tarantula! Oh. To be continued.